Welcome back to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara. Today we're looking at the skeleton of the language, how sentences are built. If you're coming from English, Cebuano word order might feel backward at first. English usually follows subject, verb, object. I ate the mango. While Cebuano often follows verb, subject, object. In other words, Cebuano usually starts with the action. In Cebuano, the action usually comes first, then the person or thing doing it. So explaining the action. In English, the boy ran. Cebuano, nidagan ang bata, which is literally ran the boy. English, Maria ate. Cebuano, nikaon si Maria, literal ate Maria. Think of it a bit like a news headline. Lead with the action. Okay, we go over to adding an object. How do we add an object to the verb? When there is an object, the thing being acted upon, it usually comes after the subject. So the pattern is verb plus subject plus object. English, for instance, I bought bread. In Cebuano, that's nipalit ko ok tinapay. So if we do the breakdown, nipalit, bought, ko, I, ok tinapay, bread. Right? In Cebuano, we use markers for an object. We have markers si, ang, ok, and sa. To show the role of the nouns, think of them as the labels in a sentence. So the first one, si, we use before names of people. So nikaon si Maria, Maria ate. So the Maria is the name, and before Maria we will use si. Nidagan si Pedro, Pedro ran. The marker ang is used before common nouns that are the subject. So in this instance, in this example, nidagan ang bata, the child ran. Ang bata is the subject. Nangaon ang mga tao, the people ate. Ok marks the object. So in this sentence, nipalit ko ok tinapay, I bought bread. Niinom si Pedro ok tubig, Peter drank water. And we have also sa, that marks location, a direction, indirect objects. Ni ato siya sa balay, he went to the house. Nahatak ko ok libro sa bata, I gave a book to the child. Na ako sa Cebu, I am in Cebu. And here is an example with all the markers. Nihatak si Maria ok bulak sa bata. Maria gave flowers to the child. So nihatak gave si Maria, Maria, ok bulak, flowers, sa bata, to the child. So si for names, ang for the subject, ok for the object, and sa for indirect objects. To, in, at, and so on. If we add an adjective, adjectives usually come after the noun and are connected with a linker na. So English we have a beautiful girl. Cebuano, babae na guapa. So babae, girl, na linker, guapa, beautiful, which is literally girl that is beautiful. Example sentence, nakita nako ang babae na guapa. I saw the beautiful girl. Sometimes adjectives come before the noun in common phrases. Guapa na babae, beautiful girl. Both forms are understood in Cebuano. Here are some example sentences with the verb, subject, and object order. Just to get used to this thing. Nikaon ko og kanon, I ate rice. Niinom si Maria og tubig, Maria drank water. Nidaok ang iro sa iring, the dog chased the cat. Nagsulat si Pedro og sulat, Pedro wrote a letter. Nagdula ang mga bata og basketball, the children played basketball. Nipalit siya og tinapay, she bought bread. Nagtudlo ang maestro sa mga estudyante, the teacher taught the students. Nakita ko og langgam, I saw a bird. Naghugas si Juan sa balay, Juan cleaned the house. Nagpakaon ang inahan sa bata, the mother fed the baby. Now some examples of nouns with adjectives. Babae nga guapa, a beautiful girl. Balay nga dako, a big house. Manga nga lame, a delicious mango. Iro nga gamay, a small dog. Sakyanan nga paspas, a fast car. Sabaw nga init, a hot soup. Ilimnon nga bugnaw, a cold drink. Maestro nga buotan, a kind teacher. Balay na taas, a tall building. And bata na malipayong, a happy child. Well, that's it for this episode. Now we know how to make the basic sentences. We'll see you in the next one and keep practicing.